What's up, everybody? It's Katie Austin here, and welcome to your Express Low Impact Cardio Workout. Today, we are going to be doing a quickie of a little bit of cardio, aka getting your heart rate up, but at the same time, easier on the joints. So no crazy jumping, easier on the body, but you're still going to break a sweat. And also, a lot of these moves are fun, so we're going to have some fun today. Also, this workout is brought to you by ZenWTR. It is my favorite water to hydrate during a workout. I also love the 1 liter bottles. It's amazing, pure alkaline water. It also tastes so crisp and so refreshing. So everyone, take a nice sip of water before we begin, and let's get to it. All right, you guys, we're gonna come right here on the mat and give me a few deep breaths in. Inhale through the nose, really reach towards the sky, and let it all go. Inhale, and exhale. Great, one more big deep breath. Holding at the top. And as you exhale, let's take these elbows in right by our hips, add a mini squat, and out and press. Great, getting right into it. Squat to press. It's almost like a plie squat though, so your knees are coming out just to a little bit, and then our elbows in by our hips, and then press. Wonderful. How's everyone feeling today? Well, in just about 10 to 15 minutes, you're gonna be feeling better. You're gonna feel more energized, and you're gonna be ready to conquer the day. Now, as you guys release these arms back, I want you guys to really press, making sure you're pressing to the back of the room. Great. Awesome, you guys. For 4, 3, 2, holding these arms out. In 1, press back, holding back. Nice work. Inhale and exhale. Now, start to take these feet a little bit wider, and I want them facing towards me. All right, you guys? So, toes pointed out. We're holding these arms up and out, but palms towards the sky. In 1, let's windmill it out. Here we go. Inhale and exhale. Great. So windmill, we're coming down for that side lunge. Opposite hand driving towards that toe. Coming right back up with our shoulders down. Sitting back with it with the side lunge. And keep breathing. You got it. Opposite hand, by the way, I want you guys to reach up towards the sky, opening up the chest just a little bit. Great. Inhale and exhale. Couple more. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Taking it up, placing these feet a little bit more together, and we have some side to side reaches. One of my favorite moves to get started right here. Nice work. Stretching out that side body. Reach even further every time. Now let's add a little bit of mental resistance as you pull that rope down. Pull that cross, cross. Yes. Adding the lower half into it just a little bit as well. So bending down just slightly, getting your thighs moving. Now let's reach across, cross the body. Really reach out, elongate that torso. Still adding a little bit of bounce in your lower half right here. Now let's speed it up. The further out you reach, staying low just a little bit, the more you're gonna really feel it. Now let's add that rope. Pull the rope towards you. You're pulling that rope each side. You got it. Mental resistance, baby. You're grabbing that rope out in front of you, pulling it towards that hip. For 6, 5, 4, and 1. From here, step touch. Great work. Inhale, and exhale, let it all go. One more big deep breath in, And as you exhale, we're gonna start to pony it out. Great work. So step touch, arms, lengthen, release. Great, here we go. Step touch. Now start to get lower. Get low. Engage your core. You got it. Really press, press. Get lower. Nice work. Four, three. Don't give up that step touch in one. Back to that step touch. We're gonna come in to some bicep curls, okay? Bicep curl it out as you step touch. Now, as you nail those bicep curls, make sure you're squeezing those biceps. We're gonna come in for a nice booty kick on each side. Bicep curl to booty kick. Let's rock. Keep breathing. Inhale, getting all the oxygen to your lungs, and exhale, let it on go. Getting lower. You got it. Inhale, softly hit that mat. Great. No jumping, no harsh movements. You're taking it nice and slow and staying low. Easier on the knees for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Taking these arms in front of your beautiful face. Are you ready to punch it out? Let's start right here. Start to punch it out. Punch the camera. You got it. Or me punch the camera. You guys punch through that screen. Relieve all that anxiety right here. Letting it all go. Great. Inhale. And exhale. Now let's add a squat to a cross box. Squat, box, speed it up. You got it. Try to keep these hands right by that beautiful face. And how I want you guys to complete this is power through the hips. You're pivoting, you're thrusting that hip forward. That way, you're gonna really feel this burn more. Your lower half. You got it. Nice work. Get into it, baby. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Inhale. And as you exhale, we're taking these legs together, sitting in a nice narrow squat. I want toe tap right here, straight leg, right back to center in that narrow squat, alternate toe tap. We're here, here. Get lower, start to toe tap. Nice work. Breathe in and out. Great. Add those arms. Nice work. Beautiful. Stay low. Get even lower in that narrow squat. You got it. And in the in-between, squeeze your thighs together. Great. Now let's add that extra resistance. The rope is pulling to work your chest. The rope is right here. Each side, pull it out. You got it. Great. Straight leg, toe tap. Stay low for 8. 3, 2, 1. Relax. I want you guys to start kicking it out. Kick it off, shake it off, shake it off. Breathe it out, taking your arms above head. We're gonna come down and around. A nice rainbow to a rocket. Rainbow, rocket, here we go. Breathe in and out. Remember in the beginning of this workout, I said you're gonna have some fun? Have fun with it, you guys. Here we go, let it on go. Great, woo! Let's kick those legs even higher for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Taking these hands right above head. Have you ever done one of those ski machines where you take the ropes, a lot of imaginary ropes in this workout, y'all. You take the ropes and you ski them down. Ready? Have you ever done one of those things, the machines at the gym? Take the ropes, you pull them down. You got it. Here we go. Get on those tippy toes too. I want you guys to really make sure you're getting your whole body. Whole body. Tippy toes, squeeze the calves. Great. You got it. Whole body into it. Get those booties up, squeeze, release, lengthen, pull through. 5 more. Last one. Relax. And guess what time it is? Time for a drink of water. Woo. How are you guys feeling so far? How are we feeling so far? I'm gonna grab a sip of my Zen water. Keeping me hydrated during this low impact cardio. I told you guys, low impact does not mean low intensity, and you can still have fun with cardio. So grab some Zen water. Let's do some plank walk downs. We're almost there, you guys. We're gonna plank walk it down, hold, walk those hands down into a high plank, and give me 2 cross mountain climbers, and then walk your hands right back up. Nice work. Inhale. Exhale. You got it. Getting that core involved too. Feeling this stretch. Walk your hands out. Nice work, you guys. Keep breathing. Last one. Stay in a high plank whenever you're finished. And stay in this high plank. Awesome work, you guys. We're gonna shift back onto making sure it's like a lifted, floating child's pose. So making sure your booty's coming back, but knees are still off the mat, and then right back up into that high plank. Nice work. Inhale. And exhale. Great. Squeeze the tushy at the top. Great for your hips, thighs, and booty. 2 more. Last one. Holding that high plank. Now, we're gonna have slow, low impact plank jacks. You're gonna take 1 foot, tap it on the other side. Here we go. Low impact plank jacks. Tap laterally each toe to each side. We're almost there, you guys. You got it. Low impact plank jacks for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take 1 foot by your palm, opposite foot by the other palm. We're lifting up, arms coming overhead, coming right back down into that squat. I want a burpee, a low impact. We're crushing it for the last one. Here we go. Stepping up and raise. Great. Low impact burpee, stepping back. High plank. You got it. Finish it strong, y'all. Nice work. Two more. Last one. And relax. How are you feeling? Oh my gosh. Sweat is dripping down my face right now. Shake it on off. Roll out your shoulders. Shake out your feet. You guys crushed that workout. How are we feeling? express low impact cardio, feel free to repeat this again. Or if you guys like it, I have hundreds, and I mean hundreds, of workouts on the Katie Austin app. Make sure to hydrate with Zen water. Again, my favorite water. It's crisp, it's refreshing, but also it's amazing because it's pure alkaline water, which I absolutely love. I've been working with Zen Water for a while now, so you guys know I love them. They're part of my Bridal Sculpt Challenge, my program there as well. So thank you so much to Zen Water for bringing you guys this video. Like it, comment, save it, subscribe to my channel, and go get yourself some Zen Water. I love you guys. Bye.